Yeah, I mean, I just hired someone the other day. They charged $1,500. I had an hour with them. They gave me a couple good ideas. I'm gonna take those ideas and hopefully make more than $1,500 on those ideas.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
Mhm. Yeah, I think that the Google, deep big companies, even Facebook, they have um, they have operating acquiring different companies like Facebook acquired, let's say WhatsApp and things like that. So what
Hmm.
they doing is they are consolidating the business and they are kind of diversifying, yeah, or open different stream of income. So like this, they can diminish the risk. I think that at the beginning, the entrepreneurs growing the business, you reinvest in the business, but when this business go to profitability, um, it's good idea to look another ways, another that can another assets that can produce you cash flow because like I said, the being in business, I'll tell you because I have so many. I have restaurant, I have property business. It's it, it's something that it have a life span, but sometimes the business won't outlaw you, and you have to be, you need to know when you're going in, when you're going out, when it's time to exit, and when it's uh, time to look at another vehicles that can produce you cash flow. Because if you have a sustaining way that you build that wealth, like what you're describing, wealth manager, if you know how to manage your wealth effectively, then you can kind of become bulletproof. Because if something doesn't work, you have money coming on from another sources, right?
I mean, that's the goal is the more ways that you could help a potential client gives you more opportunities for the future versus if you just have, you know, like McDonald's sells more than just hamburgers. They started off just basically hamburgers, fries, and soda. Now they sell a lot of
Wow,
different things.
absolutely.
Um, I mean, recently I think they started offering like breakfast all day or something like that.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So I mean, over time, your company has to evolve. You figure out who your client base is, and then you adjust your strategy based on who's coming to your business versus we've always done it this way. So we're going to continue always doing this way. Just like, if I sent you in the woods with a hatchet and I go out in the woods with the chainsaw, who's going to be able to chop down more trees?
Mm.
But if you're like, we've always chopped down trees with an axe, why would I change? It's like, well, everything's always adjusting and evolving, and you have to know when to invest in technology or people or acquire a different business to put inside your business so that you can continue to grow over time at a reasonable rate of return without putting your business in harm's way.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your business? What can you help your client with?
Yeah, we help educate people on the best ways to grow their wealth. So it could be from coming up with financial strategies, helping business owners with business strategies, all the way to managing people's wealth. So there's a lot of different ways we could assist people. So when we get someone, we have all these different, I guess you want to call them menu items, and
Mhm.
that allows us to attract people and be able to help people, especially if they're struggling. And if we can get them on track and help them make more money, then they'll be coming back in the future for us to help them with more things as well. Versus the larger investment firms can't do what we do, and we can't do what the larger investment firms do. So we just focus on what we do well versus what other people do well.
Yeah, and I think that businesses is very interesting because sometimes someone from outside can see better than the people inside the business. I think that Sometimes when you're playing chess with a friend, they always said the outsider sometimes can see better than the people that are inside because they are working. People could be working on the business, in the business, rather than own the business, and an external help can give a better sense of direction, right?
Yeah, I mean, I just hired someone the other day. They charged $1,500. I had an hour with them. They gave me a couple good ideas. I'm gonna take those ideas and hopefully make more than $1,500 on those ideas rather than me attempting to come up with all the ideas myself. Why don't I just pay someone a flat fee and see if they come up with anything good?
Mm-hmm.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.